welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing? I'm doing fine. So this video is going to be a week in my life and it is a very productive week. Well, this vlog starts on Ganesh Chaturthi and I have here shared a 1-minute ka video clip about how I decorated the Ganesh Mandir at my house and it turned out so pretty. You will get to know it very soon. So decoration के लिए ही 1 घंटा लगा मुझे and then the puja. But decoration के time the chaos in my house was oh my god. But फिर भी this is what called as festive vibes. Festive vibes in India अलग ही level के होते हैं क्योंकि festivals are the days when we spend time together with our family, with our friends. We cook up feast and the main part what I love about festival is the sweets and the various food items that we cook specifically on a specific festival, especially modak on Ganesh Chaturthi. I love it. All these are the special memories that we collect with our family and they will always hold a special place in our heart. Then the puja has come to an end. The whole afternoon I was so exhausted, so I took a nap. It's not called as a nap. मैंने सोचा था कि एक power nap लेके पढ़ाई start करेंगे, but I slept like nearly 4 hours. Then in the evening we went to our nearby mandirs to worship the god and then at night 9 or 9:30 I was feeling so demotivated. तो मुझे लगा only studies can fix me now because when I go to sleep without learning anything the whole day I feel so unsatisfied. For a good satisfaction and waking up with good determination I got back to studies. So I studied for a hour or 2. I was here doing the limits, continuity and differentiability chapter. ये 2.2 में start हुआ है and I'm studying math from Tarun sir. Parabola is done, so I have started this limits chapter and then I'll have to do the relations and functions in which have lots of backlog. The next day was Sunday. Whenever it's a weekend I don't feel like to study. मतलब study के vibes कम और मस्ती के vibes ज़्यादा होते हैं. But then also I consoled myself कि अभी exams आने वाले हैं. Exams के time पे तो हम कोई competitive exam की preparation तो नहीं कर सकते. इसीलिए I'll first focus on completing the mains और other competitive exams का syllabus right now ताकि exams के time पे I can only focus on my exams. I'm right now doing math only here because math में मेरा syllabus का बहुत सारा backlog बन चुका है. Chemistry I'm day by day clearing out my backlogs of 11th and 12th. अभी organic chemistry का बहुत सारा backlog है which I'll be doing in my Dasara vacation and hence right now I'm clearing out the backlog of physical and inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry तो बहुत आसान लग रहा मेरे को but physical भी it is easy but उसमें थोड़े numerical part भी होते हैं but then also chemistry I love it और ये बहुत आसान हो गया इसीलिए I'm completing chemistry along with this exams के flow. Math and physics also I'm allotting a time but a very specific time because ये ना 1-2 दिन में तो होते नहीं है but फिर भी chemistry is interesting इसीलिए even if it is a 5 to 6 hours lecture I'm able to complete it in a single day. But math and physics is a bit boring इसीलिए मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा time लगता है. Later after solving DPPs I received my package from Flipkart which was a table cover and I am really loving these dark colors जैसे कि grey, black, brown. They are all cool and it was the day 2 of placing Ganesha in our house. So puja is done and the next day I had to go to college. That day I am again doing mathematics. Since I said mathematics consumes a lot of time, मेरा limits, continuity and differentiability chapter तो खत्म हो ही गया but फिर भी it took a very long time, nearly 1 week time हुआ because I was just doing 1 or 2 hours का lecture in a single day क्योंकि you have to give time for other subjects also. एक ही subject तो है नहीं और उतना time भी नहीं है. Later my mom made this refreshing apple juice. I prefer apple juice over eating apples because it's very delicious. The drink I just love it. And all the 11th graders who are watching this vlog, I know it's very difficult for you guys and most of you are asking me on how to manage all this stuff like school, coaching. It's very hard. At one point you will realize that there is no time to spend about myself, to focus on myself and that is what the reality is. Switching off the distractions is the best option which most of us cannot do it because even I am the one जितनी बार सोचती हूँ कि यार distraction से दूर रहूँगी but I can only do that for 1 or 2 days. The next day distractions will be in my hand. They be like यार तू तो मेरी दोस्त है यार, my best friend, मैं तुम्हें अकेले कैसे छोड़ सकती हूँ. Yeah, that's the reality and you have to accept it. But फिर भी if you are determined to focus on completing the syllabus you have to put the distractions off. Just throw the phone away. Well, I'm also doing this coordination compounds in chemistry, which is a very hellish chapter. Then my mom made my favorite dinner. It is dosa with mayonnaise sauce and some veggies on top of it. Capsicum is my favorite veggie. Yes, I love it. The day I had this, I felt so sleepy because I had 3 dosas, bhai, 3 dosas. I was so heavy and my eyes were closing down. They were like, yaar, tu nahi kar sakti, so ja. But I had lots of things to do, like coordination compounds मुझे खत्म करना था. मैंने like यार कल छुट्टी ले लेते और घर पे बैठ के कर लेते. So I quickly freshened up and started to study. But I'm not doing coordination compounds. I'm here doing the P block chapter. P block chapter I'm doing 13th, 14th as well with the 12th syllabus, which includes 15, 16, 17, 18. Because मैंने बोला था 11th grade का syllabus मेरा backlog है. Even if I did the P block, I am not so confident about it because I just did not like ऊपर से पढ़ ली थी मैंने लास्ट ईयर. तो इसीलिए आई एम कवरिंग अप द 11th एज वेल एज 12th ग्रेड. एंड ऑल्सो अगर मुझे कोऑर्डिनेशन चैप्टर करनी है, इससे पहले आई हैव टू बी क्लियर विद द केमिकल बॉन्डिंग एंड अदर बेसिक चैप्टर्स. केमिकल बॉन्डिंग, yes, I have done it, but I'm totally blanked out. Even when I'm revising the notes that I've made by myself, मुझे कुछ समझ भी नहीं आ रहा था because I just totally forgot the chapter. तो मैंने सोचा यार ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, मुझे पहले एक वन शॉट लेक्चर सुननी है एंड देन ओनली आई कैन डू इट. इन द इवनिंग आई मेड मैगी फॉर माई सेल्फ एंड सिंस आई सेड कि कैप्सिकम इज माई फेवरेट एंड वॉट एवर द डिशेस, कैप्सिकम मस्ट बी देयर इन इट. कैप्सिकम इज फॉर श्योर. एंड उसके बाद जस्ट फॉर अ चेंज आई वेंट आउट फॉर अ वॉक विद माई मॉम. स्टेशनरी शॉप देखते ही आई वॉज like चलो यार कुछ stationery item shopping कर लेते हैं which will boost up my interest in studies, because yes, cute stationery items are the reason for me to boost up my interest in studies. And it was the last day of placing Ganesha in my house, so after we did the puja it was time to say goodbye, and it's the hardest goodbye ever. That's it for the video guys. I'll see you all again very very soon. Till then, keep following me on YouTube. Yeah, bye guys.